Doing nothing can be a major mistake. Just letting your condition on your green card expire and overstaying, hoping that immigration won't notice and ICE won't pick you up, is a big risk. You also won't be able to travel abroad or keep proof of your ability to work for your employer, who is legally obligated to keep your I-9 documents up to date. I've had a few lucky clients who have filed their conditional green card waivers over a year after they've expired, but they took their chances that they wouldn't get deported. They lost their jobs and couldn't leave the U.S. This was a horrible way to live. In most cases, it is better to file a waiver to buy you time, to make a stronger case if another waiver option may be available to you in the future. It's always easier to save your green card now than starting over from scratch. And burying your head in the sand is no strategy at all. The law is not changing to benefit those who are here illegally. If anything, it's getting tougher. Remember, you start to add up unlawful presence the moment your green card expires, and only being approved for a conditional green card waiver or joint filing later will forgive that unlawful presence. When you are out of status, even if you once had a green card, you are not eligible for change of status to another type of visa. You would have to consular process if you were sponsored by an employer, and you could not only run into potential 3 or 10-year bar to re-entering the United States, depending on how long you've overstayed after your green card expired, but any issuance of a temporary visa by a consulate, such as a B-2 visitor's visa, would be highly unlikely, since the consulate knows that you are a recent permanent resident and have the desire to live in the U.S. permanently. As you may recall, temporary employment or visitor's visa holders always have the burden of proving that they will not overstay their visa's short duration, and will, of course, return to their home country when the duration is up, where they also must show strong family ties and economic security in that country. I am an expert in complex family-based immigration cases and have a 98% approval rate for the past 12 years. I am a nationally published immigration author and frequent public speaker on immigration topics. I regularly train other immigration lawyers on complicated marriage and family immigration cases for the American Immigration Lawyers Association, Federal Bar Association, and National Legal Education Providers. I represent clients all over the U.S., traveling to immigration interviews and deportation proceedings. Visit our website, humanrightsattorney.com, for more in-depth information and articles on complex family immigration issues.